Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Subaru Liberty, stock number 6307. This ran from the 7th 2009 to the 11th 2014. It has an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, 4 dents. Right front door, 2 dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.